Hi everybody, it's Steven Tasler with Exit Realty, and this is Ask the Expert. Today I'm here with b.brophy of Paragon Insurance Group of Wayzata, Minnesota. They are independent insurance agents specializing in personal and commercial lines of property and casualty insurance. The question that we're going to ask today is, what is the importance of a hail and wind deductible on your homeowner's policy?
Yeah, so you'll typically have an all perils deductible that covers your sort of quote-unquote normal perils. But with the way that the environment has been going, especially here in the Midwest over the past 5 to 10 years, the wind and hail has become a big loss for insurance companies. And so you will have at times a separate wind and hail deductible from your normal deductible. Typically your agent should cover that with you. Our agency, we like to go with a flat deductible so that there's no changes whenever it comes to you filing a claim, whatever that claim may be. However, some companies are going to either a percent deductible, which can either be 1 or 2% of your dwelling value. So if you have a $300,000 house and 1% wind and hail deductible, if you had to make a claim for a wind or hail loss, that'd be $3,000. 2% would be $6,000. So it's important to know that, because at the time of the loss, depending on how big or small your roof is, your percent deductible may be almost as big as what it would cost to replace the roof anyways.
Sure. So what it's saying is that the deductible is going to be based on the value of my home and that percentage. Now, one thing that I've also been hearing is that, again, with all of the hail claims that have been happening over the last number of years, is that if you get hail damage to your roof, it's not just automatic replacement. They may do a portion of it based on how old the roof is.
Right, so some companies are actually even moving to an actual cash value on the roof, which is going to be cost less depreciation. So if your roof is 10 or 15 years old, you're only going to recover a small amount. So you really should be looking for replacement cost on the roof coverage. And then on top of that, like you said, yeah, they may do just patching. So depending on the company that it's with, they may just be able to replace a section of the roof. Now some roofing, like a cedar shake roof, maybe that's not going to look right if you just try and do a patch. So there are some things that you sort of can move around that, but yeah, it's definitely something to ask your agent on the company that you're going to go with. What's your policy on patching?
As you see, there's a lot of issues that come up, a lot of questions that need to be asked, and that's why having an insurance professional that's able to ask you those important questions is so important. If you have any questions for us, either for me or for Brian, our information is listed in the comments below. Give us a call. We're more than happy to help you at any time. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you'd like to see more videos as I post them, click on subscribe. And if you have ideas for additional videos, please put them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.